check out this minivan. Well, this is an Astro. Chevy Astro. Let's read it. Let's read about it. An 82. Is that what that says? Yeah, 82. Okay. Going straight for the pedals. There they are. Oh, that brake pedal looks weeny. It's like a weeny little brake pedal. You got the armrest that flips up. And then, you know, it's a pretty big step up here. Ooh. And you can jump in. I'm not gonna sit on the pen. Oh. There's kind of like parts everywhere because this is a pick and pull type situation. So there's, you know, like air vents and things laying around. But let's just pretend we're driving for a minute. Driving down the road in 1988, fresh off the lot. Feeling pretty stoked on my new Chevy Astro van with these like blue, these seats. The seat upholstery kind of reminds me of like airline seats, you know, with like the flecked bits of like red and pink and green fleck. And this was back when you only got the door on one side, so everyone had to get in the van over there. It's like got 3 rows of seats. Look at the headliner. Headliner looks amazing. It's perfect. I don't see any tears or sagging or anything. So what a beautiful headliner. Kind of have like this like foot well over there for your passenger, and then you've got this nice sort of space here in between the seats, and then the cockpit here. Beep 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 beep, out of my way, I got soccer practice, gotta take the kids to soccer practice. And the pedal. Well, it's a goner. It's not a pick and pull, but hopefully these parts breathe life into other old minivans. Whoa, it's like for a jump. Got the tinted windows.